Okay, today we're going to do some balancing equations. Balancing equations isn't that difficult to do. You just have to follow like a pattern. And this is my very own pattern that I made up, and it's what we used in class this year. So I hope this works most of the time. Now, sometimes you got to go old school and just count everything out, but this way works pretty good. Number one, we're going to find something different on either side of the equation. When I say something different, I mean a different number. All right, so let's go and look at one of these randoms here. I'll pick 12. Okay, so I look at number 12, and I see that I have two OHs on this side, and only have one OH on this side. Well, that's my something different. So the first thing I do is I fix that. So I put a 2 in front of that, and that fixes my OHs. Step 2, and this is the key to this thing to make it work. Well, we fixed it already. Step 3, fix its partner. So this is why this thing works. You fix one ion, and then you fix its partner, and you keep going with the partners until you're done. So now that we have two OHs, we fixed that problem, but now we have two H's. So we have to go back and fix, so we have two H's on both sides. Now we have two Cl's, and we already have two Cl's, so that's good. We'll put a 1 there. That gives us 1 PB, 1 PB. We're back to where we started. Okay, so it goes pretty quick. It goes pretty easy. It works most of the time. Sometimes you have to double these things up to make it work, but most of the time it's just as simple as that. Let's do this next one. Okay, now, it's always a good idea to start with the most obnoxious of all the formulas. It just works easier. So I'm going to start with this because that is obnoxious. What I mean by obnoxious is the most subscripts. Okay, so let's start with ALs. There's two ALs over there. We only have one over here. Now we have two. That gives me 2 times 3, 6 BRs. 6 BRs. That gives me 6 Ks. 3 times 2 is 6 Ks. 3 times 1 SO4. So we already have that, and we're done. Okay. Look at this obnoxious thing. All right, so we'll start with that. We have 3 CAs on this side, we have 3 on this side. That gives me 6 CLs, 6 CLs, 6 NAs, 2 times 3 is 6, 2 PO4s, 2 PO4s, and we're done. All right, I hope that helps. That's the easy way to do it. This is generic balancing. All right, good luck with that, and have a great night.